Hey, my little chicken nuggets, welcome back to
The CGI Guy.
This is my actual first real tutorial. Today we're gonna learn how to make skin in like 5 minutes or so. Okay, so what you wanna do is you wanna hit A, X, that's gonna delete the default cube camera light, all that cool stuff. Alright. Then what you wanna do is we're just gonna go to File, Import OBJ. Try to find like a person online. I might leave some things in the description. This one is from Sketchfab, and it's called Head Kirk. It's just Kirk from Star Trek, and it's gigantic. Cool, that's great. Okay, and then what we want to do is we want to go all the way down to vertex paint. You're like, why vertex paint? Why not texture paint? You stupid head face. Well, vertex paint and texture paint are, they're both good. I can't pick favorites.
You know I can't play favorites.
Alright, then what we want to go is we want to go down to vertex colors. You're going to see this thing called coal. Alright, we don't want that to be called coal. We're going to call this main skin. Cool. Alright, that's main skin. And then we want to hit Shift A. We want to go to import vertex colors and main skin. Main skin we're going to put in the base color. Oh man, it's white. That's because we haven't done anything yet. Alright, then we want to go down to here. And look, it's already right. Then you want to go like Shift K. What Shift K is going to do is that's going to turn it completely white. I'm going to go to the material preview. Yep, it's definitely white. Okay, now what we want to do is we just want to pick a nice looking skin color. So, and we can try out a few ones. So like here, that is like really red. You don't want that. Sometimes these don't really look exactly perfect. That one's actually pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. And of course, we can go back and change it and stuff. All right, then you want to go to vertex colors again. You want to hit another one. This one we're gonna call subsurface. All right, subsurface scattering. And basically, what it's going to do is, if we see here in a second, we can see that this actually multiplies it. So this is in the viewport now. You have to put your attribute nodes into the viewport to see it, right? So then we're going to go completely to white, Shift K again. Then you want to go to paint. Dirty vertex colors. Yeah, that's what that is going to do. You don't want to keep it on one. One is going to kind of look a little weird. The whitest parts that you were going to see, that's what's going to show the subsurface scattering. And the darkest parts is going to show absolutely no subsurface scattering at all. So usually I set it to about 3 or 5. It kind of blends it in a little better. We're just going to go to 3 on this one, but we don't want to keep it in base color. We want to put it in subsurface, and then we want our subsurface color to be that basically, and then we want to put this into here. We actually want to put the factor into here, and look at that. Let's go. Why is it not? Yeah, there we go. Okay, yeah, so that's just kind of a quick way to make skin. You can even see that it puts some lip red color on it. So honestly, I mean, this is just a really, really, really great way to make skin. And then you can add the eyes and stuff. And of course, you can take away this red part and you can put some white in there. And you can do that manually for the dirty vertex colors as well. So that's just a really quick, easy way to make skin. If you want to even make it look even better, we can go to a Voronoi texture, alright, and then we can go to a bump node. In this bump node, we're going to put the distance into the height, and then we're going to put the normal into the normal, and it's going to look pretty weird for a second. It looks like he's some kind of Jackson Pollock painting, and we're just going to scale it up like crazy. And then we're going to hit invert. And that's going to make it look kind of weird for a second. But what you want to do is literally just keep scaling. Keep on scaling. That is the way of life, my friend. keep on scaling. All right, you want to put it at maybe like 800 or maybe even 1,000, and that's gonna kind of give it a okay texture. It actually looks really bad. Maybe don't do that. But the cool thing is that if you hit this, you can also measure the strength of it. So it gives it a little something. So yeah, that is basically that. Yep. All right, see you later.